Hello everyone. Today we will discuss dimensional analysis. Velocity, we can represent velocity in meter per second, kilometer per hour or kilometer per minute. In every case, velocity is unit of length upon unit of time. In order to get unit of velocity, we raise the unit of length to the power 1 and the unit of time to the power -1, because this is length upon time. When time will go up, then that will be -1. These powers are called dimensions of velocity. These powers are called dimension of velocity. Then uh, we can define this dimension. The dimension of physical quantity are the powers to which the fundamental units are raised in order to obtain the derived units of that physical quantity. Dimension of length is L, dimension of mass is capital M, and dimension of time is capital T. Here some physical quantities like area. Area is length into breadth, and its dimensional formula is for length L and for breadth L also. L into L is L square, and in this way we can write M0 L2 T0. This is the dimensional formula for area, and its SI unit is meter square. Second, volume. Volume is L into B into H, means capital L into capital L into capital L, and this means volume is the dimensional formula for volume is M0 L3 T0, and its unit is meter cube. Because वॉल्यूम को लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट लिखते हैं. लेंथ के लिए भी कैपिटल एल डायमेंशन में, लेंथ के लिए भी कैपिटल एल, ब्रेथ के लिए भी कैपिटल एल, एंड हाइट के लिए भी कैपिटल एल. तो एल इंटू एल से एल क्यूब होगा. नाउ डेंसिटी यू विल नो, डेंसिटी इज मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. तो मास के लिए कैपिटल एम एंड वॉल्यूम के लिए एल टू द पावर 3. Therefore ml minus 3, and its unit is kilogram per cubic meter. Dear students, dimensional formula always written in this big bracket. Velocity, displacement upon time, and displacement for displacement L and for time capital T. Then LT minus 1 is its dimensional formula, and its unit is meter per second. Acceleration formula is change in velocity delta V upon time interval delta T. So velocity already we have find out LT minus 1. This means for velocity LT minus 1, and for time T. This time go upside, so this will be minus 1. Therefore LT minus 2, acceleration is LT minus 2, and unit is meter per second square. Now here we see force. फार्मूला ऑफ फोर्स इज मास इनटू एक्सीलेशन. तो मास के लिए कैपिटल एम, एंड एक्सीलेशन ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस अर्लियर LT minus 2. Therefore mlt minus 2 is the dimensional formula for force, and its unit is kilogram meter per second square or Newton. SI unit is Newton. Work, force into displacement. Force, already we have discussed mlt minus 2 and displacement is L. Therefore, ml2 t minus 2 and its unit is kilogram meter square per second square or joule. Dimensional. In this work, what is the dimension of work? So dimension are the power which raised on fundamental quantities. This means dimension of work is 1 in mass, 2 in length and minus 2 in time. So these powers are the dimension which raised on fundamental quantities like m, l, t. Now acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity small g, and we will know W weight is m into g. Therefore g is W upon m, and W weight is force, gravitational force. So force का dimension mlt minus 2, and for mass capital M, m and m is cancel out, and therefore lt minus 2 is the dimensional formula for acceleration due to gravity. This means this is also same. Acceleration is here, and acceleration already we have discussed, and unit of this g is meter per second square. Now power. What is power? Power is work upon time. Work, already we have discussed. Work, dimensional formula of work is ml2 t minus 2, and time is t. This time t go upside, and this will be minus 1. Therefore power for power dimensional formula is ml2 t minus 3, and its unit is work by time, therefore joule per second. Linear momentum formula is mass into velocity. For mass capital M, and for velocity lt minus 1. Therefore dimensional formula is mlt minus 1, and its unit is kilogram meter per second. Kinetic energy formula is half mv square. Half, this is numerical constant, no dimension. For mass capital M, and for velocity lt minus 1, and this is square, therefore this is square. Therefore ml2 and t minus 2, and its unit is joule. Potential energy. Potential energy is formula is mgh. For mass capital M, for g lt minus 2, and for h l. Therefore the dimensional formula of potential energy is ml2 t minus 2, and its unit is also joule. Now pressure. Pressure, force by area. Force mlt minus 2, and area is L2. Therefore the dimensional formula for pressure is ml minus 1 t minus 2, and unit is for force Newton, and for area meter square, Newton per meter square. Impulse. Impulse is force into small interval of time delta t. So for force mlt minus 2 and time t. Therefore we can write mlt minus 1. This minus 2 and this 1 is minus 1. Then impulse is mlt minus 1, and Newton second is its unit. Now one question: what is the dimensional formula of gravitational constant capital G? According to Newton, force between two point object is G m1 m2 by r square, and I have asked to you what is the dimensional formula for this capital G. If we set this G f into r square upon m1 m2, and for force mlt minus 2, for r is distance, L, therefore r square L square, and m1 m2 mass, therefore m and also m, both mass m and m. This m is cancelled out by this m, and this is m, therefore this m go upside, m minus 1, L2 and L3 and T minus 2. This means the dimensional formula for gravitational constant capital G is m minus 1 L3 T minus 2, and its unit is kilogram to the power minus 1 meter cube and second to the power minus 2. Now for your homework is give the dimensional formula of following: torque, angular momentum, force, stress, electric potential. You have to do and inform me. In next class, in next lecture, we will discuss what is the application of dimensional analysis. What is the use of dimensional analysis? Thank you.